Welcome to Liquid Rubber's Instructional Video Library.
Okay, I'm going to show you kind of a typical metal roof application here. The issues, there's a seam here and you get your fasteners here. That's where you're going to get your leaks from most of the time, vents and whatnot. What happens, there's little washers on these fasteners. They break down and gets loose, water gets in there, water will get in your seams. So I'm going to show you how to use the liquid rubber system of liquid rubber seam tape that goes over your seams and liquid rubber waterproof sealant, coat over the seam tape and the fasteners. I'm going to use here, this is the seam tape. This is 4-inch wide, but I'm only going to use the 2-inch. I got a roll going here over your seams. And then I'm going to use the waterproof sealant. This is a light gray right here, and that'll coat over everything, and then it'll be watertight. Okay, so you'd want to clean everything. Get off the loose caulking. You don't want any silicone on there or anything. Clean that off. Your fasteners may need to be replaced if they're loose. Put in a bigger fastener or just tighten them up. Then you get your seam tape for your seam. It has a backing on it. It's got a plastic backing. You just kind of start in the corner, peel it off. And it's really sticky stuff, so you want to be careful you don't stick it to anything that you don't want it to stick to. So we're going to bridge that seam, and you start on one end. You don't want to stretch it, so you want to just sort of lay it on there. And then it's just pressure. If you got a lot to do, you can use like a seam roller, a wallpaper roller. Get it stuck down there real good. And then once that's done, you're ready for coating it. I'll show you the what the coating looks like. It's pretty thick stuff. It's kind of like a pudding. It's ready to go right out of the can. For the fasteners, can kind of just dab them a little bit. We want to do a couple heavy coats of this, build up your thickness. Give this guy a dab too here. And that's about it for the first coat. So I'll let this one dry and do another good heavy coat, and that's probably all that's going to need to be done. Okay, we got the first coat all cured up here. It's got a tiny bit of tackiness to it, but not really. It's looking pretty good. All you got to do now is put another heavy coat on, dab the fasteners again, and that should be it. I can always add more if needed, but we'll get another good coat on here. And that's about it. Let it cure up again. Curing, depending, can take hours or a day. Weather, humidity, temperature, that affects it. But other than that, should be good to go here. Okay, we got the second coat all cured up here. You can see it's got the tape all covered up, fasteners are all covered up. It's going to give you good longevity. It's a cost-effective, easy DIY repair. Anybody can do this. Change the color of your roof. And the products used again were the liquid rubber seam tape, bridging those joints on the metal roof, and then your liquid rubber waterproof sealant. Pretty simple. You can always add a third coat on there if you want, minimum 2 coats, but I always like to do a little extra while you're up there, and you can do a third heavy coat. And that's about it.